Hi everyone! I have another sale announcement for you today. It's going to be all about Schmincke today, so if you've been looking into Schmincke recently, well, you're in luck! So, I'll be going over these points with you today. 1. Products on sale. 2. Products worth mentioning. 3. How to find the products. 4. How to get an extra 10% off on your order. Let's get started. So I was just browsing Jackson's like I normally do, and seems like they're having a sale on Schmincke Horadam watercolors. Not everything is on sale though. Their regular colors in individual tubes and pans are all on sale, as well as individual colors from their super granulating range. As for sets that are on sale, almost all of the super granulating sets are on sale. So check those out if you've been looking to get one for yourself. And here, you can see that some sets are on sale while others aren't. Seems like the standard 12, 24, and 48 half pan sets are on sale, as well as this 9 full pan square metal set. The following sets will be the ones that I want to draw your attention to. First is this square metal palette set that consists of 12 half pans, marketed as a set with botanical colors. The box says it's a special edition set, and rightly so, as this is the first time I've seen the top lid of a Schmincke palette with vertical lines. The exterior looks to be a silver color instead of the standard black. Secondly, we have a second special edition set, marketed as a set with seascape colors. The palette itself looks to be the same as the previously mentioned botanical set. If you're a collector of unique palettes, I think this one is definitely one to get. Next, there's this 6 half pan gold limited edition set. I'm not sure if this is new or has been available for some time, but it's the first time I'm seeing this. The colors included are various hues of gold and cannot be bought individually. If you like collecting limited edition stuff, you might enjoy this one. Lastly, there's this 12 half pan pearl gold limited edition set. I believe this isn't new, but it is limited edition, and it's on sale. You can search on YouTube for swatches of some of the colors in this set. I'll put links to everything below. In the past, when I've posted these sale announcement videos, the links I put below don't work properly sometimes, and some viewers couldn't find the products. So in this segment, I'll show you where to find everything I mentioned in case the links below don't work. We start off by going to Jackson's main page, then under the Color tab, go to Watercolor, then Watercolor Paint, and go all the way down to click on Schmincke. Once you click on that, wait a bit for the page to fully load. And here it is. If you want individual tubes of pans of the regular range, click on this one here. If you want individual tubes or pans from the super granulating range, click on this one. But if you want the super granulating sets, click on this one here. And all of the other sets I mentioned, whether it's regular, limited, or special edition, you want to click on this one here. Lastly, how to get an extra 10% off your order. All new customers that use my affiliate link on their first order should automatically receive a further 10% discount on your order. So to make it simple, create an account on Jackson's, shop as you would normally, then before checking out, click on my affiliate link below, and you should see that there has been a 10% discount applied. Then, proceed with checkout normally. Okay, so to recap, Jackson's is having a Schmincke watercolor sale. Be sure to check out both open stock as well as sets, particularly limited edition and special edition sets. And to get an extra 10% off, create an account and use my affiliate link below. For those of you who have used my affiliate link in the past, I just want to say a big thank you to all of you, whether you make a small order or a large order, because it shows me that you support me and what I do on this channel. Thank you so much, everyone. And yeah, I think that's it for today. As always, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.